I'm actually gonna go move down here to a better spot so we get into this review. As you can see, I repainted the midsole and I dyed a couple of the damaged suede spots. I also, what else did I do anything else? Oh, I did the speckling on the metallic part as well. But yeah, we're gonna go right down here. Right off top, you can see the shoes all in all in much better shape. I feel like it's too dark right here. I hit up the midsole with black, flat black. Then I hit up the shark teeth with silver and then black speckling, as you guys saw earlier in the video. There's the Jumpman. I dyed and reconditioned the suede uppers as best I could. Luckily they still had the heel tab, the lace lock. That was a plus for sure, but came out great. And as you see right here, I re-glued this area. Nice and good now. Now the other shoe, also cleaned the soles. Got out what I could. I guess there's a little bit more I could do right there, but I don't think I'm gonna do any more. Did the same thing on this shoe. Midsole repaint, speckling. This one had a slight issue right here though. See that reddish mark under there? When I re-glued this area right here, you see it's nice and strong now. When I re-glued this, I accidentally used a brush that had some red leather dye in there, so not red leather dye, but red paint on it, so it bled a little bit and got down there. It's fixable, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I already put in too much time on these. I spent $12, so I know I'm gonna make my money back in more already, so it is what it is. I think they came out great. Nice little investment of a few hours and $12. Can't complain. Haven't figured out a price I'm gonna put them up for, but they are a size 10.5 if interested. And obviously I'll mark down for this little mark right there, because that, to the average person, that's not fixable at all. But yeah, not gonna do anything about the soles or anything. Leave it as is. A little bit of character. Plus the 2016 pair with the Nike Air on the back is coming out soon, so if somebody really wants a pair, they'll wait for that. You feel me? So if they want a deal, get a pair. Beater or hoop kicks. Here you go. 10.5. One more 360. Yeah. Thrifting for the win.